Hola mi amigos, here's Baldi Resort in La Fortuna. Here's your free tour, enjoy. VagaBondVito. Alright, so this is Baldi Resort. I'm hitting all the pools today. A rapid fire tour. Hopefully I get a nice video for you guys. Baldi by day, a little bit packed, nothing crazy, but let's see what we got here. Alright, so this is like pool number 4, 5, or 6. Who knows? I already lost count. It's pretty sick though. It's pretty bizarre how hot the water is actually in this place. Literally. Oh yeah, gotta love it here, baby. It is hot. Hopefully the steam isn't messing with my lens too much. Alright, so this is my favorite one. Water's nice and chill, not too hot. It's got 3 little waterfalls, got the water slides. You can watch the kiddies going up and down, splishing, splashing. Alright, moving on. So if you're balling and you got a chopper, feel free to fly on in. Alright, so this is the hot one. I'm sure I'm all steamed up, but this is what I got, so this is what you get. VagaBond.